It's too late. If it's not on, it's too late.
Yeah.
Let's be honest.
Yeah.
Like, it's all well and good to go with siege and get your vest and other stuff, but if you're tracking a ball more,
Time's critical.
even a knife slash, like it's not the stab proof, but a knife slash or something. Like, if you're doing it, you're gonna make it when something goes down. That's why we're in the stock market. If it's a hard plate in it as well, but just running day to day, I just think it's not done.
Just police, mate. You want to come to the gate for us, buddy? Do you have a dog?
$10.40. Constable Cheryl, Gladstone Police.
My name's Constable Pincham from the Gladstone Police.
Senior Constable Matt Lay from Gladstone Dog School.
Senior, nice.
I've opened the gate for us, mate.
Dog.
Have you?
Okay, I'm not in Australia, man. It's not. Alright, he's here to take me, I guess. He's all upset.
So are you in bail conditions, Kane?
Yeah, he's all upset.
Yeah, so Constable Cheryl, Gladstone Police, you're under arrest for a breach of bail because you're making excessive noise.
What was the
Excessive noise. So that's your condition of bail?
excessive noise?
Yeah, so when we've gone up the street we could hear that it was clearly very loud.
I just heard you just pull in.
Oh, we walked up the street first.
Yeah. We've been standing at the street corner for a couple of minutes just to audibly hear it. It's quite loud, okay?
This big,
Yeah, but it's carrying very loud.
It's carrying very loud.
I just couldn't tell you. I just don't tell you. Alright,
So what we're going to do...
I know you hate me and you
I don't know you
Mate,
personally at all.
No, I've never met any of you, you know.
Mate,
That's
all
why they say
we're going to be doing is we're going to be taking you up to the police station, okay, to be doing some paperwork, alright?
Can you just give me a minute? Can I
Yeah.
just put my fire out? Can you walk in here and just follow me? I've got
Yeah,
no
yeah,
weapons,
I'll
we're
come
not-
with you if you want to put your
not
fire
fucking
out.
Alaska or anything, alright?
It's all good. Is it just yourself here?
No, just stay there. They're taking me.
He's all good, he heard you, mate.
Yeah, alright.
No?
Alright. Sorry, Mr. Hospital.
No, that's all good, mate.
Do you mind?
I was just trying to make it quicker for yourself.
Sorry, there's no bongs or anything. Sorry, just trying to make it quicker for myself. That is so nice of you.
Hey?
Hey, you're the nicest police officer yet. Honestly. He's just trying to make it quicker for me to fucking put my fire out so I can go to jail quicker. Reach me bar because the music was too loud because someone pulled the plug. Probably that. Probably someone. It's alright, lad. I'll be back. I'll be back in the morning. They'll just put me in this shittier cell all night. And I'm in my jammies, alright.
You're good.
I'm good. Just 1 second. There's no weapons. You know, we live in a country that is defeated. There's no weapons or anything.
What you looking for? Phone?
Oh, there's phone. Here.
That one there?
Lad, here, come take this. Yes. You ran and jumped in my house a little while ago.
You don't want your phone, mate?
Do you want to take it with you, or?
No, because then they're going to want to look through.
I have no reason to go through it. Yeah.
No, they can call me a taxi.
Alright.
I'm under arrest?
Yeah, you're under arrest.
Alright.
Do you know how much you've had to drink tonight, Kane? If you could estimate?
I sure can.
Is this all you? This stuff here?
No, that's
Come home and start walking.
days and days.
Alright, that's all good.
Lad, take the shit in. You're good. Lock the gate. Forget these faggots. Got on the camera. Can you record that? Can you put it on CD, please?
I'm currently recording right now. Yeah, it's approximately 10:40.
It's approximately your space hole.
No, I'm not.
You're not handcuffing me like that other ginger faggot used to do. He's busted that.
Okay, we're just going to be going down this car down here, okay?
Yeah, that door. You mean that shiny car?
The shiny one, yeah.
Yeah. Super loud music. Because of the bail conditions, it's just busted that on.
No, I've got too many, I can't pull them out. Okay, Mr. Conlan, as I said, my name's Constable Pincham from the Glasson Station, okay? I'm going to be doing a search for the purpose of transport, okay? Alright, whoop, you good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Yeah.
You put your hands on the car.
No, just to stabilise you,
Sleep
right?
inclined, you know, I'm good.
Right, I'm going to ask you 3 questions that I ask
Don't
everyone,
put it in
okay?
my asshole.
I'm not going to be putting it in your arsehole, mate. Is everything on you yours, Mr. Conlan?
Yeah, except for the, I got a bazooka.
You got a bazooka?
I got a bazooka.
Oh, okay. Is there anything that you want to declare?
Yeah, my bazooka.
Your bazooka, alright. Is there anything on you that's sharp that could harm yourself or myself?
Possibly my bazooka.
Bazooka? All good, right? You just want to keep your hands on the car, please, for me, alright?
Like I just did.
That's all good.
That was the bazooka.
Did you end up getting your bike fixed?
Fuck you.
No?
Just go and fuck yourself, mate.
Alrighty.
You need to look inside and empty.
Enough until I can certify that it's empty. Keep your hands on the back of the car, okay? Yeah.
That's not.
Do you want to... Yeah.
I'll have that tiny.
Mm?
And I'll round the end off it. It's not even sharp. It's the other things. Don't touch my penis.
I'm going to be touching
Don't
it,
touch
mate.
my penis unless it's, you know, your ass not
Mhm.
clean. Just fuck off.
Mate, I'll do it. Mate, keep your hands on it. Alright.
Just check your waistband.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, because it might have that bazooka.
Mate, keep it on there.
Hands up.
I'm going to be going around the front, okay?
You can go around the front. You touch my dick. Stop touching my dick.
I'm not.
You're touching my dick. You touched it on the other side. Now swung around the other side. Stop it.
Okay.
Man.
jump in the back of the car for us, right?
Thank you for not telling.
Actually, go on this side for you. Sorry, my apologies. On the left here.
Who is that in that car?
Hey?
The sergeant. What's his name? I'll ask him about it. He's going to hold me while he goes. I'm a danger to the community, apparently.
Right. Nah, it's all good. Didn't have any on you. Oh, right, yeah. I'll get you to keep yours rolling because mine's been on all day, so it's probably good for that.